presentation and then we can start with the game, okay? We want to make sure that everybody knows why they're here today, right? Yeah. Okay, so what's your name again?
Miriam.
Miriam. And how old are you? 6. Good job. So we're going to sing happy birthday to Miriam, and she likes the special way, not the regular way, okay? So we're going to place our hands right here in this form. Everyone, can you please place your hands like this? Guys, everyone, like this? Both hands? Yes, good job. You like that? Yeah. Okay, so you're going to follow me. So I'm going to show you, and when we begin, we all do it together. So let me show you. We're going to do this. Happy birthday to you. And then, woo, cha-cha-cha. Okay, so we're going to do that while we're singing so she can be very happy. Okay, is everybody ready with your hands? At the count of 3, we sing loud and clear, okay? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Woo, cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Woo, cha-cha-cha.
Birthday, dear Miriam. Happy birthday to you.
Woo, cha-cha-cha. Let's give an applause. Good job. Did you like it? Yes, thank you, everybody. We can go ahead and sit now.
Oh, it's because I put it on move.
First game. You can right here with your friends, please. So I can explain
Oh, the
first